Welcome to a day in my life. Today I'm tired and guess what? I still have to cook. So this is how I cook when I am tired. So today I'm making a local delicacy, bitter leaf soup and swallow. So guys, let's dive in. So this gas has been helpful because I can sit and cook and it is so relaxing. So then the next thing I'll do is to get my pots. Come closer guys. So we start cooking. So the next thing will be to add in all my okporoko, dry fish, and then I pour in my oil, and then I put in my cocoyam paste. That will take a little while, and when I'm done, I cover and allow it to cook a bit. The next thing will be to add my local spice, that is ogiri. It adds flavor to the soup itself. So I go on to add other ingredients. I blend my pepper. This is helpful. I add in my pepper, and then the next thing I'll do is to add all the things that will make this soup so delicious. The next thing will be to put in my bitter leaf, my protein, which is chicken, and then adding crayfish cover, and the soup is ready. Guys, tell me what swallow goes best with this soup. Is it semo? Is it gari? What swallow? So it's time to taste our soup, and I know it's coming out delicious. My goodness, this is so on point. Have you ever taken this soup before? Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Janie's Kitchen. Welcome to Janie's Kitchen.